Mega Evolution Ascended Heroes just got revealed. Let's talk about it. Welcome back, everybody, to Poke Price Watch. This is a really interesting set that we have going on here. Ascended Heroes just got revealed with the Mega Dragonite as the mascot of the set. We already know about some cards that are coming in this set, such as the Mega Gengar SIR, the Mega Dragonite gold card, the Mega Charizard Y gold card. A Psyduck art rare got released today, or revealed today, and I believe there's one other card that I'm forgetting. The End Zekrom, that's it. The End Zekrom also got revealed a little while ago, maybe like a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. But we finally know how these cards are going to shape out in English and where they're going to be and what promo card is going to come in this box, and it's a little surprising. But yeah, this is going to be an everything you need to know guide for what we know so far about Ascended Heroes and what got revealed today and everything you need to know. So this is the box art. I really like it. The blue and purple turquoise kind of deal we got going on here is really cool. These are the contents of the ETB, and as you can see, we are getting the Ends Zekrom, which was revealed a little while ago as the ETB promo, which is really good because I wanted this card the moment I saw it, and now that I know it's in the ETB, that's just fantastic, okay? That's fantastic, right? Like, a card you really want being that readily available, and the price will drop when the set comes out, and you'll probably be able to buy it raw for maybe $20, $25 if you can't find a way to pick up the ETB. But this set will probably have a lot of it printed, and probably for a long time afterwards. So honestly, I think that getting an ETB is a lot easier than it seems. But next up, we got a little more about the products that are coming besides the ETB. Of course, we have the Ends Zekrom promo card in the ETB. This is just a closer look at it. It's really cool. I am very thankful for the Pokemon Company putting the Ends Zekrom in the ETB, so I don't have to spend a lot of money trying to pull it. But we do have two poster collections with promos from the reveal back months ago, before Mega Evolution even came out. These cards were, I believe, gonna be in Mega Dream in Japanese, but you won't need to pull them out of a pack in English. There'll be promo cards in these poster collections, so that is really good as well. You've also got the sticker collections, Mega Charizard Y and Mega Gengar, with Charmander as the promo and Ghastly as the promo for these two products. And now the booster bundle also got revealed, just a standard booster bundle with the pack art on the front. And I really like the box coloring because the pink on the side here looks really good. They're going for a bit of a comic book look with the products, which I think is really cool too. So, what we know about pre-orders for this product, we don't know exactly when, but judging by previous releases of pre-orders on Pokemon Center, it is likely that we are going to be getting pre-orders on Pokemon Center for this product next week from the 19th. So that is, I guess, the 24th to the 28th. Anywhere in between the 24th to the 28th is when we'll be expecting pre-orders for these boxes to come up. It's possible that it could be later this week, but most likely scenario is, in fact, next week. And yeah, that is all the information I have about Mega Dream / Ascended Heroes. Mega Dream releases in less than 10 days in Japan, and Ascended Heroes is releasing in the US on January 30th, 2026. So that is a little over 2 months from now, but it's shaping up to be a really, really good set. I feel a little bit of prismatic hype coming from this set too. Everyone who's seen the reveals has been very, very hyped for this set. The promo cards that you get in these 2 boxes are insane. The pulls you get from the set itself are insane as well. The Mega Gengar, the Mega Charizard Y, the Mega Dragonite, all that stuff. So be prepared for a very hyped release, similar to Prismatic. That is what I'm feeling for this set. It's looking really, really good, especially with N Zekrom as the promo for the ETBs. But that's gonna do it for me. Get excited for Ascended Heroes, release date January 30th, and I will see you all in the next one.